In this video tutorial, we're going to be talking about the area of a semicircle when you know that the diameter is 16 inches. So when we find the area of a semicircle, having the value of the diameter doesn't really help us because the formula involves the radius. So hopefully you remember that the radius is half of your diameter. So 16 divided by 2 is how I got 8 inches for the radius. So first, let's use 3.14 to replace for pi. So we're using the formula pi times radius squared divided by 2. Replace the value, grab your calculator, follow along with these values, and round to the nearest tenth, 100.5 inches squared. Next, we'll be using the fraction to represent pi. Again, replace your value for the radius, grab your calculator, and follow along with these calculations, and finally round to the nearest tenth again, 100.6 inches squared. Last but not least, we're going to leave pi alone, replace the value of the radius, grab your calculator if you have to, and the area is 32 pi inches squared.